Is the Aussie dollar coiling up for its next major breakout? Welcome back to our market breakdown. Today, we're putting AUDUSD under the microscope on the 4-hour chart to decode the recent price action and identify key opportunities. Let's get straight into it. Looking at the chart, AUDUSD has been consolidating after a significant upward push. The overall feeling in the market appears to be cautiously optimistic, with many traders looking for bullish continuation, but not without some important hurdles to clear first. The most critical area traders are watching is a key demand zone, located roughly between 0.6517 and 0.6528. This is a significant level where we've seen a strong shift in market structure previously, suggesting a high concentration of buying interest. This zone represents a potential buying point. If the price dips into this area and shows signs of strength, it could provide a solid foundation for a move higher. On the flip side, we must acknowledge the selling pressure. An order block higher up appears to be invalidated after being tested multiple times. This shows that sellers have been defending the recent highs around the 0.6580 mark, making it a tough level of resistance to break. So, what are the key takeaways for AUDUSD on the 4-hour time frame? The sentiment is leaning bullish, but confirmation is needed. The primary buying opportunity seems to be on a pullback into the demand zone around the 0.6525 level. A decisive hold of this support could signal the start of the next leg up, with a potential target near the 0.66 level. However, a failure to hold this support zone with a break below 0.6516 would invalidate this bullish outlook and could open the door for further downside. In conclusion, the play for AUDUSD appears to be one of patient optimism. Watch for that dip into the key demand zone for a potential long entry. The battle between buyers at support and sellers at resistance will dictate the next move. That's all for this analysis. Trade safe, and we'll see you next time.